So I bought this little buddy heater. I actually got it at Walmart for 70 bucks. And it's working well. I got it on low right now. It's been on for about maybe 2 minutes. Warming my feet up. Very good. I think this is gonna be helpful. So during the wintertime, I can still stay in here during my breaks because it's gonna keep me nice and warm. This is a small van. So with the thermals up, it's still warmer in here than outside. But this can still keep me nice and warm. And it should go for a couple of hours with just this little canister. You put the little 1 pound Coleman canisters. So that should work out well. I mean on low. So if you can see here on low, you just press it in on the pilot light for a couple of seconds until the light comes on. Once the pilot light comes on, you can put it to high. Once everything gets nice and red, you can put it back on low. I use these little propane cans here. Let's see this. It's cold outside. It's about 25 degrees, I believe. Maybe 29 degrees. So it's pretty cold outside, but I'm nice and warm. As you can see, I just got a t-shirt on. I do got sweats, but my shoes is off. I'm feeling nice and good. It's nice and warm. Not too dangerous. I don't have anything flammable in the immediate area. I leave it down here near the rear, and that keeps me nice and warm. Because in the front, I got that closed off, so while I'm in the back, I can stay warm. Short and sweet. But get this, like I said, Walmart, 79 bucks. Nice and cheap. These little cans, you can get these cans for about like $4 for like 2 of them sometimes. But they're really cheap. They sell them everywhere in America, gas stations, Walmarts, Targets, everywhere. So you can just load these boys up and you can keep it. I'm using just this one, and I've been using this one for the past 3 days. So you're talking about at least 2 or 3 hours a day. Actually, it gets so hot I got to turn it off for a while. All right, take care. God bless.